Good morning children. Now we are going to start 5th class mathematics. Today our topic is finding the pathways of the given word problems. That is already we have started exercise 7.5 and we are completed up to 7 problems. Now we are going to the 8th problem. Okay. Everyone open your textbook page number 133. I am going to read the 8th problem. See here everyone. A rectangular garden 200 meters long and 120 meters broad has 4 square flower beds. Each flower bed has a 40 meters long side. Calculate the cost of laying the grass in the garden at 20 rupees per square meter. Before going to start the problem, you have to draw the rough diagram of this given data. See, they give it rectangular garden. Rectangular garden means like this only now. It is in the shape of rectangle. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See, what is the given long? L equal to 200 meters and breadth B equal to here 120 meters. And what they are telling, they have 4 flower beds in that rectangular field. That flower bed is in the shape of square. Okay? This one. Length is 40 meters they given. This flower bed length is 40 meters. Okay, it is the first flower bed, second, third, fourth, and they given one side is 40 meters. Okay, long side. Now they want to lay the grass inside this field. Inside this field means this inner space beta. This total they want to keep grass like that. Okay, they want to fill with the grass total inside the field. For this laying grass inside this field, they are asking per 1 square meter 20 rupees. And what is the total cost for laying the total grass in the field? Except this flower beds. So you have to find out the area of given rectangle and you have to find out the area of a square. Then you have to subtract that value from the given problem. Then you are getting area of the rectangular field inside without the flower beds. Then you have to do the multiplication with the 20. Why? Because they given per 1 square meter equal to 20 rupees. No? Yes. Now first of all find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle that equal to length into breadth. Rectangle means this outside only na. Therefore, area A equal to length 200 into breadth 120. Do the multiplication. 0 to multiplying any number means we are getting 0. 1's place 2 over. Start 10's place multiplication. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 2 2's are 4. This one. Keep into symbol. Now we are starting 100 plus multiplication. Start with 100 only. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 2's are 2. Now do this all addition. 0, 0, 0, 4, 2. Therefore, what is the area of the rectangle children? 24,000 square meter. Meter into meter becoming as a square meter. Now you have to find out the area of a square. Area of a square that equal to side into side. Area means we are showing with A, one side they given as 40. One side 40 is there means another side also we are getting 40 only. Now multiply 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 4, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 4's are 16. 0, 0, 6, 1. It is the area of one flower bed. Now we have 4 flower beds. That 4 area you have to find out. Therefore, area of 4 flower beds. 4 flower beds equal to 4 into this number or this one. 1600 into 4. Why I am multiplying means we have 4 flower beds inside the field. You have to remove this 4 flower beds space also. Then only you are getting how much space is remaining in the rectangular field. Okay. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 6 are 24. 4 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. The answer is 6400 meter into meter becoming as a square meter. Now you have to find out the area of laying grass. Therefore, area of laying grass that equal to you have to do the subtraction of area of rectangle minus area of 4 flower beds. Area of rectangle minus area of 4 flower beds. Okay. What is the area of the rectangle, children? 24,000 minus 6,400. You have to do the subtraction, children. 24,000 and 6,400. Do the normal subtraction. 0 minus 4 not possible. Regrouping means 10. 10 minus 4 6. Here 3 remaining. 3 minus 6 not possible. Taking regrouping means here 13 will be there. 13 minus 6. What is the answer? 6 after 2 count up to 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers I opened? 7. 7 is your answer. So 1 as it is 1. So what is this? 17,600 square meters. Okay, it is the area of laying grass. Now here, therefore, for laying grass in the field, 1 square meter is equal to 20 rupees. Then 17,600 square meters equal to how much? Now this 17,600 to do the multiplication with the 20. 17,600 into 20. Do the multiplication. What you are getting? 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. If you multiply any number to 0, we are getting zeros only. Into 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 here. 2 7 are 14 plus 1, 15. 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 5. Okay? It is your answer. Okay? Final step you have to write down what they are asking in the question. Here place not there means I am writing here. This multiplication over after you have to continue here that step. What they are asking in the heading? Calculate the cost of laying grass in the garden. Therefore, cost of laying the grass in the garden equal to cost means keep the rupee symbol 3,52,000. 3,52,000. It is your answer. Note down everyone. Otherwise take the screenshot. Yes, I think everyone know. Now I am going to rub that 8th answer. You will explain the 9th answer. Yes. Now I am going to explain the 9th problem. Everyone say your textbook, children. The given question, try to understand the question first. Find the area of the shaded portion in the figure given alongside. Okay? See. First of all, draw the given figure in your notebook clearly with pencil. Which figure did they given? Rectangle. And they given like this only they given now? Yes. Just write down the names of this A, B, C, D. This one is 5 meters breadth and this one is 2 meters wide. And here total they given A to B here 9 meters. And here they given 12 meters. Here to here. Okay? And you have to take the names as E, F, G, H. Inside these names are I, J, K, L. Here to here. This one. This middle one. Okay? Now, what they are asking? Find the area of the shaded portion in the figure. Shaded portion means this one. Inside. What is this area? They are asking. Okay, already we know how we have to do so many problems. We done this type of. You have to follow same method. Okay, first of all you have to find out the area of A, B, C, D. This one like sleeping line is there now. Therefore, area of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is there now. So you have to take once this AD means you have to take AB. One sleeping line and one standing line. AD into AB. This one AD. AD into AB. Okay. Otherwise you have to write in the next line. What we are taking? AD into AB. AD means here to here. We want total length. Here they given as 12 meters. You have to take 12. A to B here to here small. You have to take this 5. 12 5s are 60. And meter into meter becoming as square meter. Okay. Now you have to find out that area of this one. E of GH. Therefore, area of EFGH. In this, what we are taking this EF into FG, here to here. Okay, EF into HG, EH. Okay, here to here you have to take EH into HG. EH or FG both are same. This side we are having same, this side also we are having same width. HG here to here 2 meters means EF here to here also we are having 2 meters only. What is the EH value here to here? Total they given 9 into HG here to here given 2. 9 to the 18. Meter into meter becoming as square meter. Now you have to find out this inside area IJKL. Therefore, area of IJKL. How like you have to find out this one IJ into JK. IJ here to here how much we have? Small 5. And here to here JK 2. 5 to the 10. Meter into meter becoming as square meter. Okay. Now we want to find out the area of total this one. Okay. What we have to find out? Area of jogging this one. Area of a square we have to find out. Find the area of the shaded portion. Therefore, area of the shaded portion. When we want to find out the area of shaded portion, here place not sufficient means I am continuing here. We have to write continuing in your book. How we are getting? First of all, add this one sleeping line. Area of ABCD plus area of EFGH. EFGH. These two you have to subtract. Why? Because here sleeping line wise coming, standing line wise also coming. 2 times repeating. So you have to subtract this value. Area of this one IJKL. IJKL. Now area of ABCD how much? 60 plus area of EFGH 18 minus 10. First we have to do add these two numbers. 60 plus 18 how much? 78 minus 10. 78 minus 10 means 68. 68 square meters. Okay, it is the area of the shaded portion. They are asking that one only area of the shaded portion in the figure. Yes. Finally, then you have to write down. Therefore, area of the shaded portion. That equal to 68 square meter. They are asking only shaded part means this inside area only have to find out. How we are finding? First to find out the area of ABCD. Next find out the area of EFGH. Then you have to subtract the area of IJKL. Why? Because this one repeating 2 times. Okay. Then you are getting area of the shaded portion. This is the 9th problem over. Write down everyone. Otherwise take the screenshot. We will go for the 10th problem. Yes, everyone completed. Now I am going to rub this and we will go for the 10th problem. 10th problem one only day means this total exercise will be over it. Yes, everyone open textbook page number 133. Now I am going to start the 10th problem. I am reading the 10th question. Once listen everyone. A rectangular lawn 80 meters long and 50 meters wide has a gravel path 4 meters wide running all around it. Find the area of the path. Hint. The length and breadth decreased by 4 meters. Okay, increasing by 4 meters plus 4 meters. First of all here, what you have to do children? First of all, you have to draw the diagram of the given figure. Here they given the value is 80 meters and here they given 50 meters here to here and remaining they given 4 meters and 4 meters. Write down the names A, B, C, D. Inner side values E, F, G, H. Okay. First of all, you have to find out the area of ABCD. Okay. This ABCD means outer surface now. Therefore, area of actual we are finding ABCD that equal to AB into BC. AB how much they given? One side they given 50 means another side also we are having 50. And here they given BC here to here 80. Okay, you have to do the multiplication. 0 into 0 0 0. 8 into 0 0. 8 5s are 40. It is a 4000 meter into meter becoming as a square meters. Okay. It is the area of the given ABCD. Now we have to find out area of EFGH. Area of EFGH. Lengthwise you have to find out. Therefore, area of EFGH, length of. First of all, you have to find out as a lengthwise. Length of EH. Length of EH means this one here to here. And here to here, see, we have already 80. Okay. And this one lengthwise means L. 80 and they are asking increase by 4 meters. This side 4 meters increasing means this side also we have to increase 4 meters. Place 4 plus 4. 80 plus 4 plus 4, 8. So 88. What is the length? 88 meters. And now you have to find out area of EFGH. Breadth-wise. Breadth-wise. Okay. Breadth-wise means you have to find out the breadth. What is the breadth here? How we are finding? For increasing the 4 meters this side 4 plus this side 4. Okay. Already they given width as a 50 increasing 4 plus 4. Now 50 plus 8. We are getting 58 meters. Now using this increasing values you have to find out the area of GH. Therefore area of GH equal to length into breadth. Area of GH length into breadth. Okay, that is area of GH area equal to 88 into 58. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 plus 6. How much? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. What you are getting, children? 704. Next, again multiply with 5. 5 8 are 40. 5 8 are 40 plus 4. 44. Do the addition. 4. 0. 7 plus 4. 11. 5. So what is the area of EFGH? Therefore, EFGH area equal to 5104 meter into meter becoming as square meters. And what they are asking in the question mark? Find the area of the path. Okay? Find the area of the path means this one they are asking. This one. This is where they are asking. So, what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction from this given value. What is the actual value here? EFGH area increasing means 5140. You have to do the subtraction of this value. Therefore, in the question what they are asking? Area of the path. Therefore, area of the path. That equal to area of bigger value have to take E of GH. E of GH minus AB CD. What is the E of GH value? 5104 minus 4000. Okay. Do the normal subtraction. 5104 and 4000. 401. 5 minus 4 means 1. What you are getting, children? The answer is 1104 what? Square meters. Okay. What they are asking in the question? Therefore, find the area of the path. Therefore, the area of the path equal to 1104 square meters. It is your answer. Okay. Total we are completed 10 problems. In this 10 only is there. Next we will go for the next exercise in the next class. Today homework is some members not at all completing in time. From Monday onwards you are having the regular classes. So you have to complete this total exercise 7.5 and have to come to school. After you are coming to school, I will do your classes corrections. Okay. Complete exercise 7.5. Today I explained 8, 9, 10 problems in class 1. Your textbook page number already I mentioned up 133. Okay. It is your homework. Complete the class work and have to come to the school. Okay. Again we will meet in the next class. Everyone take the screenshots.